Hey everybody, it's Spencer with Monday Morning Mistakes with Cabinets. Today we're looking in a showroom and we have the Waterfall countertop. It's kind of big right now. A lot of people like the Waterfall coming down the sides. It's a great look, but one thing you have to remember when you have your cabinetry, this is on an island, back of the island, with a face frame cabinet. Your drawer, it doesn't affect that much, but you need a spacer between the side of the cabinet and the cabinet of the countertop. When you open, if you don't have that spacer, that door is going to hit this side. That'll tend to wear down the finish on the side. So when you have your countertop waterfall going down the side, use a little 1 inch, 3/4 inch spacer between the countertop and the cabinet, and that'll create the spacing for your door to fully open without hitting anything. A little tip. Hope it helps out. We'll see you next week.